I have a problem with the disk. Operation Air Mission 2. This is what happened on the PS2 Slim. I don't think it's happening. So on the bottom, yes, save the noise. See? We hear that? Oh my god, what's really and for the no problematic disk, put Mortal Kombat example. Like this game. So, and so here, this is what normally PS2 need to sound like. Okay, it's booting up. Has booted the game. This is what need to sound normally on the PS2 game, but this game has a problem. Oh yes, okay. So I don't shoot. Let's press X quickly. Okay, it's X. Let me press X. And see. This is what normally PS2 would sound like. So, this game has by the developer is Nitis. It's not just curious. Let's compare that to the to the West Desk. Has problem. Okay, you can see this has blacks on there, but this game has not. This is set this is the code. So PlayStation 2 is on the logo, and this game Mortal Kombat 31 has this signature. Okay. See, license. That's a mess. So, version of this game. This has this says, but I don't see any. Pedaço says is produced by this. It's not. And it is not give this a look. But PS2 only. This doesn't give a PS2. Do the PS2. It's a logo. But this on the PS2. Yeah, there's definitely fucking product that made third party. And so let's go here and put this. This is made by Fighting Ninjas, and this which is made by Giant Bros. Very nice third party. So don't buy this. Don't buy this. Bye.